Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate BlueSnap affiliate program, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate the BlueSnap affiliate program, start by visiting the BlueSnap website. Once on the home page, locate the sign up or join us button. Click on the button to begin the registration process. Fill out the online application form with your personal information. Provide a valid email address to receive confirmation and updates. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. After completing the form, read through the terms and conditions carefully. Check the box to agree to the terms before submitting your application. Submit your application to BlueSnap for review. Wait for an email confirmation about the status of your application. If approved, you will receive access to the affiliate dashboard. Log into the dashboard using the email and password you provided. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available tools. Browse through the affiliate resources to understand the program better. Locate your unique affiliate links and promotional materials. Select the products or services you wish to promote. Utilize the marketing materials provided to effectively share your links. Track your performance through the reporting tools in the dashboard. Stay updated with any promotions or changes in the affiliate program. Engage with the BlueSnap affiliate community for support and tips. Now you are ready to start promoting and earning commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.